Oh no! A boat capsized in a big storm! The passengers on board are in danger! Will the rescue team be able to save them in time? But don't worry! The rescue team is here! Fire trucks and ambulances are on standby, and helicopters are preparing to take to the skies. The rescue helicopter will approach the sunken ship from the air! Will it be able to save the passengers before it is too late? The lifeboats have set sail. With the support of helicopters, the rescue team will safely rescue the passengers from the sinking ship. Go!
Let's go!
The rescue is underway. The passengers are being loaded into lifeboats and will be brought to safety. Will everyone make it? Finally, all the passengers were rescued. The rescue team did a great job and everyone will return safely. Thank you to the brave and determined rescue team. Once again, they have saved lives, bringing safety and hope to everyone. Don't forget, when there is an accident, there are always heroes ready to help.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
The crane truck's windy day. Chemical leak on the road. Police spot it and the fire truck cleans it up.
2 hours later.
The police gift mission.
Sir, yes, sir.
Huh? Huh?
Huh? Help! Help! Help!
Oh no!
Oh, huh?
Is clear today. The clouds are as light as cream. The police car was assigned to escort the ambulance to the city center. Nothing special, but why is my heart beating so fast? The police car tried to stay calm, But why did it keep veering off the lane? Oh my god, there's the red siren again when it's not needed.
Aha!
The ambulance drove quietly beside them, occasionally glancing over. Was there something sparkling in their eyes? Helicopter flying overhead. Something exciting is about to happen. And the fire truck suddenly put up a sign, caution, area of heart palpitation. Fire truck put up a funny sign. Other cars saw it and laughed. Huh? The police car and the ambulance both looked at each other shyly, sensing the growing affection. And then, at the end of the street, the police car stopped, fumbled, opened the trunk. Inside was a gift box. The ambulance smiled. A smile as soft as the late afternoon sun. Thank you, my hero escort. The yellow race car gets all muddy. Luckily, the fire truck comes to help.
Hello! Hey!
Thank you very much.
The garbage truck can't swim.
Hours later.
Huh?
The Surprise Hero by the Park Gate.
Today's not a normal day. It's Helicopter's birthday. But the whole team has decided to throw a secret party. But don't worry. In a hidden corner, the police car whispers the ambulance and fire truck plans. A big secret is being prepared.
Hello.
The helicopter looked at everyone with confusion and wondered what he had done wrong to everyone. He walked away sadly. Did he think everyone really didn't remember what day it was? The police car was sneaking around carrying cakes through the street, trying to move as fast as possible. But wait! A candle suddenly fell to the ground. The ambulance secretly prepared gifts, decorated everywhere, prepared everything wonderfully. Everything had to be perfect. Fire truck is practicing a dance for the celebration. Helicopter flies by, looking down, confused. Why is everyone avoiding me? Do I smell funny?
Ta-da!
Boom! The surprise party blew up. The cars jumped out and yelled, "Surprise!" A giant cake, gifts, and balloons filled the sky. The helicopter was so moved that he was speechless. Overjoyed, the helicopter spun around happily. Good morning, City! And as usual, Bobby, our brave police car is patrolling, keeping the peace. But suddenly, an unexpected event occurs.
Hey, you! Over right there!
Bobby received an emergency signal. A car has been stolen and is on the run. Bobby immediately rushed out at top speed.
Hey, hey! The streets are no longer peaceful. Bobby must quickly pass slow-moving cars so as not to lose sight of the criminal. A truck is blocking the road. Can Bobby get past it? Of course. Bobby quickly rushes through a narrow road, defeating the obstacle, not letting the criminal escape. And then, a big hole! The criminal car couldn't get out of it. Bobby got close in time and stopped the criminal car. The chase ended here. Bobby is not only a policeman, but also a real hero of the city. Thanks to Bobby's bravery and speed, the criminal is arrested. The city is peaceful again. Incident in the storm.
Okay.
Yahoo! Hey! Hey! Let's go!
La 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 la.
Slippery tires in the rain. On a peaceful day, when the light shone through the leaves, the forest rangers discovered a severely deforested area. Large, old trees were cut down, and the wild forest area was heavily damaged.
Hey, you! Stop!
The forest police were immediately called in. All the information showed that the deforesters were approaching the protected forest area. Their mission was to arrest the criminals and stop the destruction of nature. The police team began searching the devastated area. Every step they took was filled with tension, as they had to track down the deforesters hiding in the deep forest area. After a short search, the police team discovered a group of people continuing to cut down the remaining trees. The deforesters were using chainsaws and axes, unaware that the police team was closely watching. When the police team rushed in, the deforesters panicked, but they could not escape, and they were immediately arrested. All the evidence of the crime was collected fully. The deforesters were escorted to headquarters, where they faced investigators and awaited trial.